Welcome to Learn and Explore New channel. My name is Stephen. In this video, I'm going to show you how to combine multiple cells in Excel. Let's get started. There are three ways of doing it. First is by using text join function. I have a data over here where it has initials, first name, last name, and I need the output over here as full name over here with proper spacing between the cells. So over here, I'll use equal to type text join, open bracket, delimiter is asked. Delimiter means that in between the two cells, what is the thing that you need to have, whether you want a space or whether you want a dash, whatever you need to have, you need to type over here. For which over here we'll type a double quote, we'll put a space in between by pressing space bar, and again double quote, comma. Next option is true or false. If there is an empty cells in between the range of cells that you want to select, and you want to ignore it, you can use true, or else you can type false. Over here I'll type true, comma, and then select the range of cells you want to combine and close bracket and enter. That's it. Drag the formula to the other cells. Now you can see over here all the data is properly arranged and sequentially you can see it in a proper way. The second formula over here is by using a concat function. Concat function is an advanced function of concatenate, launched few years back. For this, you need to type equal to concat, open bracket, select the first cell, comma, you need to have a space between the next cell. So for this, you need to type double quote, press space bar, again a double quote, comma, select the second cell, comma, again you need to have for space, you need to type double quote, space and double quote and comma, and select the third cell and bracket close. That's it. Drag the formula to other cells. In this way, this is the another option where you can combine the cells. The third option is by using without a formula. You can also combine cells without a formula by using ampersand sign. For this, you need to type equal to, select the first cell, then type ampersand and open double quote, space, double quote, and again type ampersand. Select the second cell, again an ampersand, again double quote, space, double quote, again an ampersand, and select the third cell and type enter. See, in this way you can also have the data combined, multiple cells combined like this. So I hope you like this video. If you think that you have learned something new, please like my channel and subscribe my channel for more kind of videos. Thank you very much.